Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by blocking the nugget as simple forms so proportions stay comfortable. Draw a rounded rectangle for the body and a small offset circle for the crunchy top. This keeps you from overworking details early. Once done, refine the silhouette with a confident outer line, making the sides slightly irregular to suggest texture. Make sure to preserve light pencil marks for erasing later. This step sets the foundation and explains why strong, simple shapes speed the whole process. You now build surface texture using short, curved strokes that follow the nugget's rounded form. This mimics crunchy clusters. Alternate pressure so nearer bumps read darker and more defined while distant ones stay faint, which creates depth. Once comfortable, layer small dots and tiny crescents to suggest breading without over-detailing. Make sure to leave some smooth areas for highlight. This middle stage explains how layering and stroke variation create believable. You finish by strengthening the outer edge and placing 1 or 2 bright highlights where the light hits. This sells volume immediately. Add a soft shadow about 2 to 3 millimeters beneath the nugget to anchor it to the surface. Once done, step back and check contrast. If the nugget looks flat, deepen shadow groups and add a thin rim light on the far edge to separate it from background. This troubleshooting tip fixes most issues quickly and effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.